Hello dear friends, before we begin, don't forget to give this video a like. I came across this abandoned gas station, but I get the feeling that some kind of accident must have happened here. Let's explore this place. I'm sorry for all that street noise you can hear in the background. This gas station is, of course, located next to a busy street. This is the pump for gasoline. I still have a diesel car, so I need the other pump. I wish the price of the fuel would fall like that. If you want to see more videos about abandoned locations, don't forget to check out my brand new website. At this machine you could pay with banknotes. Those banknotes look really old. They are Belgian francs. The Belgian franc was replaced in 2002 by the euro. That means that this gas station must have been abandoned for more than 15 years. Let's check out the yellow truck that has been parked here. It's a Ford truck. The windscreen has been smashed, so we can take a good look inside. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm not sure that this was an accident. If you have any idea what has happened here, don't be shy and leave a comment. This is French. It says the field of the birds. This is the convenience store of the gas station. Sadly, it's locked. I'm UrbexDuff. Thank you so much for watching. Stay in love with DECAY.